This is the unboxing of the Secura automatic soap dispenser, purchased on Amazon. This one has a nickel brushed finish. And just to show relative size, we'll put a Rubik's Cube beside it so you can see. So it comes with a quick start guide and that's other information. And let me show how we open. You just spin it and lift to open, and it has a big filling opening there, and has an on-off switch here, and the battery compartment is here. You have to have a screwdriver to open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.